Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to attach location in Zangi. To attach location in Zangi, first you have to tap open the Zangi application in your device. Once you open the application, make sure that you are logged in. Then in the chat section, open the chat you want to send location. Now tap on the plus icon located on the bottom left. Here, you will see the option to use camera, your gallery, location, attach file, or contact. We are going to attach location, so simply tap on the location. Now, you have to allow Jangi to access your location, so simply tap on continue. You also have to allow Jangi to access this device location. Tap on allow only while using the app. With this, you can send your current location or select another location as well. Once you do that, simply tap on send this location. And here you go, you have successfully attached location to this chat. Once you attach location in Jangi, the app shares your real-time or static location with the recipient in a chat. Depending upon the app setting and permission, the person you send it to will be able to see where you are on the map. If it's a live location, they may see the updates as you move as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.